Hey all you viewers, but name later, how we doing today? I know! Look at the size of this frickin' box by CRKT. Today we're going to take a look at something really seriously freaking cool by their Forged by War series. We have the Clever Girl Kukri here on the channel. Now, before we even get into all that fun stuff, I've taken a look at a lot of the Forged by War series. Matter of fact, there's going to be a little card popping up here in a moment with the huge playlist. It's going to go into big detail on there about all the funs and the nuances of the Forged by War series. But basically, CRKT got together with Ryan Johnson, and they let veterans design things they wish they had on the battlefield. A portion of all the proceeds, I believe it's net proceeds, go to the veterans' charity of choice. And like with most stuff with CRKT, they do give you propaganda. Today they want you to take a look at the M16-14 SFG, which is like Special Forces Group. Okay, so a little while ago, I was really honored to have Austin McGlaun on my live feed on Tuesday nights. And he kept dropping hints, got something new coming, got something new coming, got something new coming. Well, here it is. First thing that stood out to me, right here with the handle, it's shaped and has the same look as the Clever Girl does. Well, I should say the Clever Girl fixed, not the folder. Alright? One of the big differences is there's not like a little lanyard hole cut out in there. It's kind of solid because that's more of if you got to get down there and smack, and it's a crusher. I did like the fact that CRKT give you a little hank of paracord so you can make a lanyard to make this a little bit safer inside your hand. So, it also had the little benefits of, I like how Austin put it when he designed the sheath. He designed it to be a little bit more concealable, a little bit more easy to carry, because it's not overly massive like a lot of kukris that I have seen before. Now, Austin's charity of choice on this guy is Oath. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box if you want to go check them out. Okay, let's get into the stats, the fun, and everything else on this guy. It's got an overall length of about 13.25 inches, the blade's about 7.75, and the handle comes in roughly at 6 inches. Now, it's got a big weight to it like you would expect for a fixed blade to have, of 14.20 ounces. You've got a plain edge with a flat grind, I believe it is. Now, the blade steel is SK-5, which is also a huge majority of the other stuff that Austin has produced in this series. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I believe a lot of the other blades have a lot of SK5 in there as well. It does have the black powder coating on there. Now, we do have the G10 scales, which do have grooves cut into them, so it gives you that really added grippiness feel, especially like when the handle's a little bit wet and you're wearing mechanics gloves. It really sinks into that hand really well. Now, the sheath itself is glass reinforced nylon. I did like the fact that you got basically the little belt attachment to it. I may be swapping that out for a tech lock. I don't know, because most of the belts that I wear are like paracord style, and they're a little bit thicker than that. So it's not going to fit in there too well. And I really don't want to have to carry it shoulder holster style by having a piece of paracord go through and carry it under my arm. Now, one of the things I thought was cool on the sheath itself, and it's something that I had a problem with the Duhawk. Basically, you got a bit of a better split in this one that helps you get it in there a lot more easy. It's got great retention. And when you're getting it out, you just basically push up and pull, and it comes out no problem. Okay, now let's get on to the cut tests with this guy. Now, I know we usually only do 3, okay, but I'm adding a 4th today, just for a little bit of, let's just say switch it up kind of thing, all right? Now, if you're curious why I'm doing these, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why I do these cut tests. First up, like we usually do, heavy-duty stock paper. Yeah, lots of snowfall on that blade. Probably because of the oil, but still, goes through pretty much no problem. Yeah, I think I'm going to drop Mr. Ratchet. I don't know. Alright, so paracord. I am curious about this, so we're going to try there. just as a pull. Nope. That ended up being a slice. Okay. Wow. Am I that out of touch with a kukri? Shut up, Bill Rivers. But still. Why not? Let's beat up Mr. Ratchet Strap. I abuse him on every other video. Alright, went through there. Now I'm going to hit pause for a second while I get this next test set up. Alright, so I figured for this fourth one, let's do something a little bit different. I got a big old round of wood here. I believe that's oak, but still, not sure. So excuse me, I've got very limited spots where I can film. And I figured, why not, with Forged and Fire getting ready to come back, let's just give it a couple whacks and see what happens. Okay. Hopefully that's in there. So that bit in pretty good for just a couple quick whacks. Alright. Okay, so as we usually do, let's go take a look at the blade. I really don't see any real problems. That's cool. Alright, like I said, just something a little bit different for this cut test. Now, I did all the homework and did everything else on this guy on November 21st, 2021. I'm filming the video November 22nd, 2021. There is only one place you can buy this. I believe the first run of these guys was limited to 200. I can't find it on Blade HQ, can't find it on Amazon. The only place to get it is out on CRKT. It's going to run you about 135 bucks. So, if you're looking for a good, dependable fixed blade you can take in the woods and beat the snot out of, and you like kukris, go get this. You're only going to help support veterans and a veteran charity, so that's a win-win to me on both areas. Now, here's the fun part of the video. Seriously, I love this the most because some of these comments I get are just incredible. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think the Clever Girl Kukri is a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I like it because I've made a commitment to get every single thing by the Forged by War series. If I thought Austin's design sucked, I'd tell him it sucks. So, yeah. But still. Now, if I made you laugh, made you cry, made you cringe, made you do anything in this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and get all this goodness out there to other people so they can view it as well. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing this video. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can implement some change into the future. Okay, so after you've done all that fun stuff, and we'll just use this, take a look right down there. In a couple moments, you're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Please, click on that thing. It's going to bring you one-click easy access to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, if you so choose, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much out there on YouTube, 2 will be popping up a little bit over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Clever Girl Kukri. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see all of you in my next video.